In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ahrefs for keyword research. Have you ever found yourself lost in the vast sea of SEO tools, not knowing where to start or which one to use for the best keyword research results? Well, Ahrefs is a powerhouse when it comes to SEO, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of using its tools for keyword research. So, grab your notepad and let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Google. It may seem basic, but all great journeys in the digital world start here. Once you're on Google, your next step is to look for Ahrefs free SEO tools. Type that into the search bar and you'll immediately find yourself one step closer to a treasure trove of SEO resources. You'll want to click on the link that says Free SEO Tools made by Ahrefs. This is your gateway to discovering valuable keywords that could propel your content to the top of search engine rankings. Now, once the Ahrefs page loads, you're going to encounter a field where you can enter a domain or keywords. For our purposes today, let's type in youtube.com. However, remember, this tool is versatile. You're not limited to just website URLs. Feel free to type in any keyword or set of keywords you're interested in exploring. This flexibility is one of the reasons why Ahrefs is such a powerful tool for SEO research. After entering your chosen domain or keywords, go ahead and click on Start. This simple click is like opening a door to a world full of insightful data. Ahrefs will now work its magic, diving into its vast database to fetch and display all the keyword ideas relevant to your input. This moment is where the real adventure begins. You'll be presented with a list of keyword ideas related to youtube.com or any other keyword you've chosen to explore. Viewing all the generated keyword ideas can be overwhelming at first sight, but it's also exhilarating. Each keyword you see is an opportunity, a chance to create content that resonates with your audience and ranks well on search engines. Ahrefs doesn't just throw a list at you, it organizes these keywords in a way that's easy to understand and analyze. Here's a pro tip. Take your time to go through this list. Look for keywords that strike a balance between a high search volume and a level of competition you feel confident tackling. Remember, the goal of keyword research isn't just to find the most searched terms. It's about identifying opportunities where your content can truly shine and provide value. Also, pay attention to the questions related to your main keyword. These are golden. Why? Because addressing these questions directly in your content can significantly improve its relevance and usefulness, which search engines love. It's a strategy that not only helps your SEO efforts, but genuinely assists your audience. Moreover, don't skip on checking out the related keywords section. Often you'll discover gems that you hadn't considered initially. These related keywords can open up new angles for your content, offering you more ways to reach and engage your audience. Now, you might be wondering about the next steps after identifying the perfect keywords. Here's what you do. Start planning your content around these keywords. Whether it's writing a blog post, creating a video script, or developing a new web page, use the insights from Ahrefs to guide your content creation process. And remember, SEO is not just about getting to the top of search results, it's about connecting with your audience by providing them with valuable, relevant information. The keywords are just the start. Your creativity and expertise in crafting content around these keywords are what will truly set you apart. In conclusion, Ahrefs is a powerful ally in the realm of SEO, especially for keyword research. By following the steps we've gone through today, you're well on your way to unearthing the keywords that will elevate your content and enhance your SEO strategy. So, experiment with Ahrefs, explore different keywords, and watch as your digital presence grows stronger with each piece of optimized content you create. Thank you for following along in today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into mastering the digital landscape. Until next time, keep researching, keep optimizing, and keep creating.